Today's lesson, we are looking at summary of the relationship between side and angles of triangle. We are saying that we can use the Pythagoras theorem to find angles and the side of triangles. So in the summary above, we are saying that in a right angle triangle, the square on the hypotenuse side is equal to the sum of the square on the other two sides. So for example, if we have a triangle C A B with the numbers 10, 9, 7, and you are asked to determine whether triangle ABC is an acute angle or obtuse angle. Now, if it's an acute angle, then it means that the longest side will be less than the sum of the two shortest sides. If it is an obtuse angle, then the longest side will be greater than the sum of the two shortest sides. So now let's look at this example 7 here. We are saying that triangle ABC is given. Prove if it is what? Obtuse or acute. Now, how can you determine the longest side? In every triangle, we are saying that the longest side is the biggest side. So what's the biggest side here? AB. AB squared will be equals to. So if AB squared is the longest side, why? Because that is the biggest number. Then what are the two remaining sides? The two remaining sides are this side and that side, which is BC and AC. So then our formula will be what? The longest side squared is equals to AC squared plus BC squared. Now what is AB? AB is given the side, which is 10. What is BC? BC is given, which is 7. And what is AC? AC is given, which is 9. So here we do substitution. So you open bracket. I always prefer to put them in a bracket. 10, you square it, is equals to AC is 9, you square it, plus open bracket 7 squared, which is for BC. Now 10 squared is 10 times 10, which is 100, is equals to 9 squared is what? 81 plus 49, which is 7 squared. Now, without wasting much time, what is 81 plus 49, kids? What is 81 plus 49, kids? So 81 plus 49 will be equals to 130. Then what is the longest side? 100, just 100. Now let's compare. Are the two sides equal? Are the two sides equal? The longest side here is AB, which is the same cos C here. Are the two sides equal? When we add AC squared plus BC squared, it gives us 130. The longest side is what? 10. So we ask ourselves, is the longest side bigger than the other sum of the other two sides? No. So what do then we say that 100 less than 130. 100 is less than what? 130. So then we go to our summary. We are saying that if the longest side is less than the sum of the two shortest sides, then the triangle becomes acute. Then because since what? AB squared is less than AC squared plus BC squared. Because AB is 100, the sum of AC squared plus BC squared gives us 130. So therefore, the triangle is acute. Is what? Acute angle. Okay, guys. Now let's look at another example. Another example here I have here is triangle ABC. Another example I have here is triangle ABC, where this is side A, this is side B, and this is side C. Right? What is the measurement? The measurements are, we have C 12, 8, and 6. I think I need to raise it because there's not enough space. Still the same triangle A B B C. The sides are 12, 8, 6. So now, guys, let's try to do this more, another example here. We are proving what type of angle is this, right? Determine whether triangle ABC is an acute angle here also, or obtuse angle, right? So what do we see? We always look for the longest side. The longest side is the side with the biggest number. So which is what? AB squared is equals to the sum of the two shortest side, right? Which is AC squared plus BC squared. Now what is AB? The length there is what? 12 squared. What is AC? AC is A squared plus, what is BC? BC is 6 squared. Now 12 squared gives us what? 144. 8 squared is 64 plus 6 squared is 36. So now we have what? 64 plus 36, which gives us what? 100. That is the sum of the shortest two sides. The hypotenuse is 144, the longest side. Now we ask ourselves, what is the rule saying? The rule says that if the longest side is greater than the shortest side, if the longest side is greater than the shortest side, then the angle is what? Obtuse angle. And the angle is what? Obtuse angle. So now let's look at it. So now AB squared is greater than AC squared plus BC squared. So therefore the longest side is greater than the what? The sum of the square of the on the other two sides. So therefore our what? Triangle got what? Obtuse angle, right? So let's look at this one. I'm going to give you time to do it yourself, right? Determine whether triangle ABC is acute, obtuse, or what? Right angle triangle. So it is triangle A B C, and here is 105, here is 53, and here is 84. So go ahead and do it. I'm giving you a few minutes. Okay guys, let's do it together. I hope you were able to do it, and let's look for our answer. So the longest side is what? AC. I'm writing my formula. AC squared is equal to the two other side is what? AB squared plus BC squared. So what is AC? AC is 105 squared. What is AB? It's 85. 85 squared, right? And BC is 84 squared plus 53 squared. So now you check the sum of the two shortest side if it is equals to the what? The longest side. So 105 squared will give you 105 squared here. Sorry. 105 squared here. So remember, we have to square each side. I'm using a red. Squared here, squared here, squared here. Right? So when we squared 105, it gives us what? 1, 1, 1. It gives us 1, 1, 0, 2, 5 is equals to 53 squared. Use your calculator. If it gives us 2809 plus 84 squared. 84 squared gives us plus 7056. 70. I'm getting short of space, guys. 7 hold on 7056 plus 2809. It gives us what? 9865. So 11025 is equals to 9865. So now which side is bigger? Now you can see that the longest side is greater. The longest side is what? Is greater. So then what type of angle is that? Then this angle becomes what? Another what? Obtuse angle. Thank you, guys. To be continued. If you have any question, hold on to further. When we meet again, you can ask questions. Thank you. Bye.